This is a special video with Fridge versus Crate.
Here, you gonna give Daddy a hug to kiss good night?
Go. Why you mumble? You know, Crate? I had to mumble because you threw me off last episode or video. Oh, sorry. And now I'm gonna get revenge. Take this. Whoa! Whoa! What? Bro, get out. Why? Because what? You aren't supposed to be here. Whoa! Whoa, you can't jump me. Oh! You'll pay for this. Wait. Wasn't he neutral last episode? You mean video? Seriously, why is he here? Is he gonna break his neutrality now? I'm here because I won last video. And then he tipped over like last time. Oh, we left video once, but we lost. Okay, then I'll die for you guys. Did he? Ew, come on, get out. Is that really enough? Still more people joining. Wait, what? My gosh, I can't stand the bounciness of you. Huh? What? Oh! That's about it. Let's just down with this. Fuck. We have to fight for a reason. Now get the heck out of here. You aren't supposed to be here. Or I'm really gonna throw you like last time. Do all the players have ability to teleport? I don't think they were. Well, wait, what are you doing? Ah! Stop, Frick! Huh? No! Did he just disappear instantly? That's a really... That's right, Fridge. You win. Next up, you will be fighting Flag of F2. Bro. Hey guys, F2 here. I'm the creator of Gorebox. So if you didn't download my app, download it now. I'm gonna do it home tonight. Whoa there, F2. You don't have to do that. Bro, stop. I got the bully that treated to me. Wait, who's Daisy09? Huh? Why are you turning to the camera? Whoa. Now I have a bad feeling I might tip over and fall on F2. That's right. Fridge, F2, cabinet, dumpster, and mailbox will all be competing together. Voting ends on January 17th. So vote quick. Oh yeah, and dumpster will be changing up their pose. And the barrier will also be competing. Hey, what about us? Oh, I'll just get you up in a minute. Much better. Anyway, they could vote for bench, fridge, cabinet, F2, mailbox, barrier, dumpster, and the piano. So vote quick.